Hey kids, I am Pink Bob, your best friend. Come and have fun with me.
Wake up, dinos play. Sun is shining, it's a brand new day. Come and see what dinos do. Meet each dino one by one with you. This is T-Rex, big and strong. Stomp, stomp, stomp as he walks along. This is Triceratops, horns so free. Spin around and dance with me. This is Stegosaurus, tail so wide. Swish, swish, swish from side to side. This is Velociraptor, quick and fast. Run, 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 don't get last. This is Brachiosaurus, neck so tall. Munching leaves, he sees it all. This is pterodactyl, flap, flap, flap. Zoom up high, then take a nap. This is Ankylosaurus, armors your tail all day long. This is Spinosaurus, likes to go splash in rivers to and This is Parasaurolophus, horn on head. Make a sound loud instead. This is Allosaurus, big and bright. Chase your friends in playful delight. This is Compsognathus, tiny and small. Run around and race them all. This is Mousepiesaurus, neck so long. Stretch it high and sing this song. This is Dilophosaurus, crest so red. Stomp and run just like I said. Dino dance with me. Shake your tail and stomp with glee. Big or small, fast or slow. Wave your claws and say hello. Now you know each dino friend. Watch them dance till the very end. Stomp, wiggle, flap, hooray, hooray. Dino friends say bye today.
Hey guys, please subscribe for more videos.